Hello students, today the topic of our lesson is The Machine Stops. This lesson has been taken from a book written by E.M. Foster. Learning objectives. At the end of the lesson, the students must be able to read the lesson with correct pronunciation, to know the meanings of the given words, and to answer the questions given at the end of the lesson. Before the start of the lesson, I'm gonna give you the background of the story. The Machine Stops is a science fiction story written in 1909. It was voted one of the best novellas up to 1965 and has remained popular. It is a novella because it has no chapters or parts and is slightly longer than a short story. It is set in a post-apocalyptic world where humanity lives underground and relies on a giant machine to provide their needs. In it, Foster seems to have predicted new technologies such as the internet and instant messaging. The extract provides an excellent opportunity to talk about the role technology plays in modern life. If we read the novella before the lesson, we will be able to know the other facts, such as the fact that babies are also brought up by the machine, away from their mothers in public nurseries. Today, the first part of the lesson is the words with meanings. The first word is correspondence. It means reporters are regular writers. The second word is dawdling. Dawdling means moving slowly or wasting time. Another word is importunately. It means persistently or continuously. The next word is isolation. It means being alone or keeping apart from others. Melodious. Melodious means sweet, pleasant sounding. Nuances. It means subtle differences in meaning or detail. In other words, it means fine distinction. Pneumatic posts. It means sending messages in tubes powered by air. Radiance. Softly glowing light. Swaddled. Tightly wrapped in a cloth or garment. The next word is lump. It is a compact mass of substance. Gravely. Gravely means seriously or neutrally. Wearisome. It means tiresome or boring. The next expression is for an instant. It means for a moment. Oblong. Oblong means a rectangular object. Broke off. It means abruptly stopped talking. Precautions. Precautions mean protective or safety measures taken in advance. Dissuade. It means persuade not to take a particular course of action. Isolate. Cause to remain alone. Asserted. It means spoke in a confident way. Deodorized. It means remove unpleasant smell. Studded. Studded means decorated. The next word is irritation. It means annoyance. Burst upon. It means interrupted. Clumsy, awkward. Alterations, modifications or adjustments. Here on this page, the first word is donned. Don means dressed in or put on. Dimension. Dimension means aspect. Summoned. Summoned means called or called for or sent for. Reviewed. It means revised or evaluated. Now questions and answers. Question A. Who are Vashti and Kuno? Answer. In the story, there are two characters, Vashti and Kuno. Vashti is a woman and Kuno is her son. Question B. Why can Vashti only talk to Kuno for 5 minutes? Answer. Vashti can only talk to Kuno for 5 minutes because she is about to deliver her lecture on music during the Australian period. Question C. How does Vashti move around her room? Answer. Vashti moves around her room in a mechanical chair, as in this machine world, people do not move about independently. Question D. Why doesn't Vashti want to travel in the airship? Answer. Vashti doesn't want to travel in the airship because she dislikes seeing the horrible brown earth and the sea and the stars in the dark. She also says she gets no ideas in an airship. She is separate from the real world because the world outside the machine is contaminated. Question E. What does Kuno say that shocks Vashti? Answer. Kuno says that he wants to speak to his mother, not through the wearisome machine. Vashti is shocked that he says something negative about the machine. Question F. What details do we learn about the rooms that people live in the underground world? Answer. The rooms are small, hexagonal, and lit by a soft radiance which can be turned up or down. They have some kind of ventilation system, not windows. Music is played in them. Each room contains a chair or a reading desk and lots of buttons and switches with which the occupant can call for food, music, clothing, a hot or cold bath. The bath rises out of the floor, or a bed. There are also speaking tubes and communication buttons so that she can talk to people or isolate herself. Question G. What do we learn about Vashti and Kuno's personalities? Answer. Overall, Vashti is more obedient and unquestioning and seems to accept life in the machine without question. Vashti views Kuno's personality as odd because he questions the machine and wants to do things contrary to the spirit of the machine, such as going to the surface of the earth. Dear students, this is the end of the lesson. Thank you.